Welcome to our online classes. Today we are going to discuss sonnet, a literary term, its definition, types, and examples. Definition of sonnet. The word sonnet is derived from the Italian word sonetto, which means a little song or small lyric. In poetry, a sonnet has 14 lines and is written in iambic pentameter. Each line has 10 syllables. It has a specific rhyme scheme. Primary types of sonnets. In English literature, there are two basic sonnet patterns. Number 1, Italian or Petrarchan sonnet, named for the Italian Renaissance lyrical poet Francisco Petrarch. This sonnet pattern consists of an 8-line octave with the rhyme scheme ABBA, ABBA, followed by a 6-line sestet that follows one of two rhyme schemes CDE, CDE or CDC, CDC. Number 2, English or Shakespearean sonnet, named for William Shakespeare, and a variation of Stalion sonnet. This sonnet pattern consists of 3 4-line quatrains and a concluding couplet with the rhyme scheme ABAB, CDCD, EFEF, GG. The Petrarchan sonnet form was brought to England by Sir Thomas Wyatt. Here are the examples of Petrarchan sonnet and Shakespearean sonnet. There are variants in terms of sonnets, but the Italian and English patterns are the two most prevalent. Two other primary types of sonnets are: number 1, Spenserian sonnet, named for the English poet Edmund Spenser, a contemporary of William Shakespeare. This sonnet pattern is a variation of Shakespearean sonnet and features a more challenging rhyme scheme ABAB, BCBC, CDCD, EE. Number 2, Miltonic sonnet, named for the English poet John Milton. This sonnet pattern is considered an evolution of the Shakespearean sonnet. Milton used the Petrarchan form as well and expanded the traditional limits of rhyme and length in composing many of his sonnets. In addition, Miltonic sonnets often address themes of internal struggles and conflict rather than external world themes. Here are some common examples of sonnet. Number 1, Death Be Not Proud by John Donne. Number 2, Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day by William Shakespeare. Number 3, On His Blindness by John Milton. Number 4, How Do I Love Thee by Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Number 5, Ozymandias by P.B. Shelley. Number 6, London 1802 by William Wordsworth. Number 7, Amority, a sonnet sequence by Edmund Spenser. Number 8, Astrophel and Stella, a sonnet sequence by Philip Sidney.